Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to share games on Steam. So first of all, I just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my avatar icon at the top right. Click on apps. And what you're going to do next, you're going to just type Steam, alright? And basically what you're going to do, you're going to just double check if the Steam mobile app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it so you can get the newest updates. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to my browser right here. And if you want to share games on Steam, from the Steam settings panel, select the family tab. Here you can select users who have also logged into this computer to share your library with. Click the authorized library sharing on this device switch and then check the box next to the account you'd like to share your library with. So basically, if you want the demonstration on how it's done, you can see right here, demonstration photo. You can see it right here. Click family and basically you're gonna be able to see right here family library sharing, and you're gonna be able to see it, right? And you can just click right here the family by the settings on Steam, and basically you're gonna be able to share games from this section, right? And you're gonna share the share the screen with, or share the games with the device that you want. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.